Right, time to build up the Skyways. Now I've got some brand new inner tubes, and they come out of the box like that. Now it's always best to partially inflate them, so they're a little bit, because they're a bit sticky and all completely flat, no air in them. You need to partially inflate them to get them in the wheel properly without any pinches or creases and things like that. So it's best to have your track pump to hand. Now you've got to remember that Skyways, you can only inflate them to a maximum of 40 psi due to the nylon sort of nature of the walls on the rim. So something to bear in mind. Don't overinflate them because they'll just blow off the rim. So yeah, this is a bit awkward in here because I'm in a tiny shed and it's full of crap. So I'm standing in one spot with my phone in a little holder. So I'll do my best, but I'm going to change the angle now and talk you through it. Right, so connect the valve up. Right, the correct way. And just put a little bit of air into it, just so it gets its shape. Tad more. That'll do. Put that on the floor. Right, now the tube is inflated, just very, very loosely, and then we get our tyre. It doesn't matter so much on the front because the tread pattern, you can flip the wheel round, but it does matter on the back. So you need to follow the direction of rotation. It's usually marked on the wall somewhere. These tyres are not the best quality, but they're good value. I get mine from Kurb on eBay. Great supplier, very quick. And they also supply a free sweet in the packaging and a sticker. So yeah, these are the tyres. Nice sort of street pattern on them. What you want to do is find where the inflation details are. Yeah. So I've got the inflation details on the wall there, and I usually put the valve next to the inflation details. So what I do is I put the tube in first and just work it round. This gets it settled in the tyre as well. And you can see if there's any physical pinches or anything like that. And then what you do is we get our lovely Skyway Tuff tube. Find the valve hole, which is tucked in the corner here, and we put our valve and one side of the band. I don't know what you call it. The tyre banding, and I just work it round and get one side on. It's a bit fiddly. Some tyres are tighter than others. Let's see how it goes. Sometimes you have to really force it. Sometimes they slip on sweet. Oh. It's also a good little tip if you're having trouble getting a tyre on, is use some soapy water just to get the rubber lubricated. Right, I've got that on, got the band on one side, and now I just want to put this edge on. Push this side on here and then work that round with your fingers. if there's too much air in the tube, you can let a bit out, and it helps get the tube and the tyre seated properly. I usually do this on a bench, but doing it standing up is a little bit tricky. But just work it round gently, making sure the valve is straight, sticking out. Now you'll get to this point and it might get really tight, so what's best is to pinch the tyre and get it seated in the middle of the rim and push it down into the seat, so you get a little bit more stretch this side, a little bit more flex in the rubber. Oh. Trust this one to be tight. Yeah. Whew. Right. So the tyre is on. Loosely fitted, and all we need now to do is to pump it up. Sometimes this is tricky because the valves are quite short, so you have to pull the valve down and then try and get some air on, get the connector on the end. So I'll do that and I'll come back to you. Right, I've eventually got the connector on the tyre. I'm just going to work some air into it. Now put a few pumps in and then just check that the tyre is seated properly all the way round before it gets too tight. Looks alright to me so far. Just check the pattern looks the same all the way around on the bead side, and check both sides. There's no big bulges or anything, so yeah, then we can continue up the pressure. And that's 40 psi. There we go. A nicely done Skyway. Got a bit of a sticker to take off there, and the finishing touch is nice yellow dice cap. Fit that on nice, and there we have it. One Skyway ready to fit. Now I've just got to do the rear one. Same process, but noting the tyre direction.